This is a very simple worksheet and for problem practice only. So first question, I am assuming this one as a I, right? I am not getting any idea, so I will apply King formula. So what I will get? 0 to pi by 2 ln tan pi by 2 minus x. Tan x will be replaced by sum of limit minus x, so means pi by 2 minus x. And tan pi by 2 minus x, all of you know, it's a cot x. So 0 to pi by 2 ln cot x. Am I right? And ln cot x, what I can write? Ln 1 by tan x. Ln, and all of you know, ln 1 by x is nothing but minus ln x. So we can say I equal to 0 to pi by 2 a minus ln tan x, because 1 by tan x, so minus will come out ln tan x dx. What is this? This is the I itself. So I equal to, we got it minus I. That means 2I equal to 0. So I equal to 0 means integration of this will be 0. Have you understand? Next question. This also look like exactly same kind of the question. This is the I applying King formula, because otherwise there is no idea. So 0 to pi by 2, directly I am doing ln 4 plus 3 sin pi by 2 minus x, means 3 cos x, divided by 4 plus 3 cos pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 minus x sin x. So 4 plus 3 sin x. You can see very clearly that this is the ln a by b, so this is the ln b by a. So this I can write 0 to pi by 2 minus of ln 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x dx. Correct? Just I interchange. Ln a by b is equal to minus ln b by a. This way we can write. Now this is not, minus will come out, and I equal to, we got minus I. So again I equal to 0. Same pattern question. Next, what to do? First thing, this I. I don't have any idea. Of course, I cannot apply the by part. I don't want to apply at all. So what should we do? We'll apply King formula. So 0 to pi, x will be replaced by pi minus x. Pi minus x divided by a square cos pi minus x whole square. What is the cos pi minus x? Minus cos x, but whole square is there, so cos square x, plus b square sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x is what? Sin x. So b square sin square x dx. So from here, I equal to, divided separately, we will get pi 0 to pi dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x minus 0 to pi x dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Correct? Now, I equal to, see, this is the I itself. So, we will get pi 0 to pi dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x minus I. I will go this side. So 2I equal to, watch very carefully, cos pi minus x equal to minus cos x means square. Means if you replace x by pi minus x again here, so we'll get same thing. So I can apply this formula 0 to a fx dx. I can write 2 into 0 to a by 2 f of x dx. If f of a minus x equal to fx. And here f of a minus x equal to fx is coming. So this value I can write 2 pi into 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. All of you understood? This 2 get cancelled. And this part, how will you solve it? We'll divide by cos square x. You may wonder, sir, why you change this? Why not 0 to pi itself and then divide it? Here itself you can do. Here I cannot do. Because here if you divide by cos square x is a problem, because when x is between 0 to pi, cos x can be 0 at x equal to pi by 2. So you cannot do division. Have you understand? You are dividing by cos square x. So cos x should not be 0. Am I right? But cos x can be 0 when x is between 0 to pi. That's why I break it. I'm now dividing to secant square x dx divided by a square cos square, a square plus b square tan square x. I hope all of you understood. We have to put tan x equal to t. Directly I'm not going to put all those things. A, b square also I'm taking common. And wait a second. From here b square common. So pi by b square. Look at tan x equal to t. So secant square dx will become dt divided by b square already gone. So t square plus a by b the whole square. Limit has to be changed. So tan x equal to t. So x equal to 0. So t will be 0. X equal to pi by 2 means infinity. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. So I equal to pi by b square into this integration is what? This is the form of dx by x square plus a square. So 1 by a means b by a into tan inverse t by a by b means bt by a. Where to where? 0 to infinity. So 1b will get cancelled. Pi by ab into infinity. If you put it here, tan inverse infinity will become pi by 2 minus 0, because 0 if you put it here. So that final answer will be pi square by 2ab. This is your answer. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Right? Next. What to do? We'll assume I. Since x is there, to always try to think as a by your king formula. So I equal to, we can say 0 to pi, x will be replaced by pi minus x, ln sine pi minus x dx. Correct? So I equal to pi into 0 to pi ln, this is the sin x. So ln sin x dx minus x into ln sin x, that is the I. All of you able to understand that? So 2i equal to pi. Again, I can apply that property. Which property? Which property? 0 to a fx dx can be written as 2 into 0 to a by 2 fx dx if f of a minus x equal to fx. So since here in this case a is pi, fx is ln sin x, so sin pi minus x is sin x only. So we can simply write this one as 2 into 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx. 2 bye. So finally you are going to get I equal to pi into 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x. This we did in the class itself. Hello. And that answer is what? Minus pi by 2. Remember all of you. This answer will be minus pi by 2. So I equal to pi into minus pi by 2. This part of the question I discussed in the class. If you did not attend, so there is no use of attending the discussion of this. And in future, I will use this property as a property, not for board exam. Be clear. For board exam, always you have to solve it. All other places will use this 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx will be equal to minus pi by 2 ln 2. As we'll use this, because so many times it will come in picture, so directly we can use minus pi by 2 ln 2. I forgot ln 2. So finally I will be equal to minus pi square by 2 ln 2. This will be answer. Correct? Next. For n greater than 0, 0 to 2. Okay. What should we do? King formula, x is there, so chance is there. King formula can help us. 0 to 2 pi. Correct. 2 pi minus x into sine 2 pi minus x is what? Minus sine x, but whole is power even number is there. So I can simply write sine power 2n x. See, this x does not mean anything. Are you getting? Divided by sine 2n x plus cos 2n x dx. Because x pi by 2 pi minus x, that will be minus sine 2x, but my power is 2n is there. So now I equal to, directly I am doing 2 pi into 0 to 2 pi sine 2 pi minus 2n x divided by sine 2 power 2n x plus cos power 2n x dx minus I. Correct? This I will go this side. 2I is equal to 2 pi into, watch very carefully, 0 to 2 pi sine power 2n x divided by cos power sine power 2n x cos power 2n x dx. Watch it. Here, if we apply that property, which property? 0 to a fx dx. That property which I told you, right? This property we can apply. So this part will become to, only this part I am talking, only this part, 2 into 0 to pi, and same thing, whatever they, because 2 pi minus x is this. So we can say same thing will come. And again apply. So this will become 2 more, 2 will come. So 2 into 2, 0 to pi by 2, and same thing. So finally 4 will come out. So 2 will already get cancelled. So I equal to 4 will from here, 4 pi, 0 to pi by 2, all of you able to understand, sine power 2nx divided by sine power 2nx plus cos power 2n. Think very carefully. This is the form of this, what? 0 to a to b fx by fx plus f of a plus b minus x. Yes or no? And this answer is always b minus a by 2. So this part will become b minus a by 2. It's 4 pi into pi by 2 minus 0 by 2. That means final answer. Pi square answer. Because by 4 will be there, so 4 will get cancelled. Answer is the pi square. If any calculation mistake I do anywhere, please update me. Is this clear? Next one. This question. This question. I don't think we can apply much about the definite integration property. We have to go by the basic methods of the indefinite only. Right? I don't think so. Let's do. I'm going to replace cos x and sin x in term of the tan x by 2. So all of you know cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. And sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. I hope all of you remember. So this value I am going to substitute here. In fact, tan x by 2 I am taking as a t. And I am substituting, no, I will, sorry, something wrong I said. So this value I will put it. So that will become 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus 2 tan x by 2 by okay, here by 1 plus tan square x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2, I am taking LCM, that will get cancelled, 0 to pi by 2, and it's going to be 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by, if you take up LCM here, 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2. I hope I did correct. Yes or no? Now tan x by 2 equal to t I am putting. Tan x by 2 equal to t. So 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx equal to dt. So dx equal to 2 dt divided by 1 secant square x by 2, which I can write 1 plus tan square x by 2, no doubt. And tan x by 2 is the t, the 1 plus t square. Have you understand? This value as it is I am putting here. Of course, limit has to be changed. When x equal to 0, t will be 0. When x equal to pi by 2, t will be tan pi by 4 means 1. And 1 minus t square divided by, watch, tan square x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 will get cancelled. 1 plus 2t into 2 by just a minute. Just hold on. Yeah. 1 minus t square by, this is got cancelled. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. This 2 will come. And dx will become 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. I hope everybody understood. 2 common. And that 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. 0 to 1. 1 plus t will left, and this can be written 1 minus t into 1 plus t. 1 plus t also will get cancelled. We get 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t square. Now question over. So this I can write 0 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square minus 0 to 1 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Here I can multiply 2 and 2 divide. So this value is the tan inverse t, where to where? 0 to 1 minus half ln mod 1 plus t square, where to where? 0 to 1. Put it there. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, tan inverse 0 is the 0. So pi by 4 simply. Minus 1 by 2, 1 I am putting, ln 2, 0 I will put, so ln 1 is 0. So this will be the answer. I am sure it's clear to everybody. So you can see this question, basically there is no property of definite is applied, purely done by the indefinite integration, and that kind of situation can come. Look this question. Limit t approaches to a. Okay. This limit value is given 0. Okay. 0 by 0 form. So we can apply L'Hospital. So we will get limit t approaches to a. Differentiation of this, that will be what? F of t itself minus this differentiation. 1 by 2 will be out. T minus a differentiation will be 1. So ft plus fa minus 1 by 2 t minus a f dash t plus nothing, because fa differentiation will be 0. L'Hospital I may applied, nothing else I did. 3 into t minus a whole square. I hope I did correct till now. Yes. Now ft minus this I can rewrite properly. T approaches to a, ft minus half ft. So that will become ft by 2 minus fa by 2 minus t minus a into f dash t. f dash t by 2. So all this by 2 I can take LCM and make it 6. Unnecessary, why should I write like this? By 6 t minus a whole square. Still answer will be 0 because limit, by applying L'Hospital rule, limit answer does not change. Correct? Again we can see that what is the form? Fa minus Fa 0, 0, 0 by 0 form. So again we can apply L'Hospital. T approaches to a, f dash t, this differentiation will become 0. T minus a differentiation is the 1. So minus f dash t into minus t minus a into f double dash t divided by 12 t minus a equal to 0. Please listen. F dash t bye bye. These two bye bye. And t minus a bye bye. So answer of this limit we got it actually. What we got it? We got f double dash a equal to 0. F double dash a equal to 0. A can be any real number they are saying. Am I right? So surely double derivative of this function is 0. Double derivative is 0. Double derivative will be 0 only if fx is 1 degree polynomial. If fx, what is the question is given? Look, here one thing is not mentioned. A is the arbitrary, it's not a fixed constant, be clear. A is the arbitrary constant. So we have to have maximum degree of fx is 1. Fx is a polynomial. That should be also mentioned, where fx is polynomial and a belongs to real number. Something like this. So 100% sure double derivative is 0. So that means fx has to be 1 degree polynomial, because 2 degree polynomial fx cannot be 0. Understood? That's what the proof of this question. Next. Again a simple question. See, in this question, I want to apply king formula in the I1 because I can see x here. Can you see? If I want to apply king formula, so I have to replace x by sum of limit minus x. So first let's calculate sum of limit will be how much? F of a plus f of minus a I want to calculate. So f of a is nothing but e power a by 1 plus e power a, plus f of minus a will be e power minus a divided by 1 plus e power minus a. This here you can take LCM, so you will get e power a by 1 plus e power a, that will be as it is, but this value will be equal to 1 by 1 plus e power a. 1 plus e power a, if you will take LCM, you will get numerator also 1 plus e power a. The value will be what? 1. Means sum of the limit is 1. That is very, very sure. So I1 I can say what? I1, watch. F of minus a to f of plus a, and x will be replaced by this plus this, and that is 1. 1 minus x into g of x is 1 minus x, and here 1 minus x, so x only. Are you able to understand? So I1 equal to this multiply, so you will get f of minus a to plus f of plus a, g of x into 1 minus x dx minus f of minus a, because this I am sending inside, to f of a x into g of x into 1 minus x dx. This is nothing but the I1 itself, and this is nothing but the I2. So we got I1 equal to I2 minus I1, which indicate 2I1 equal to I2. Question over. We'll say 2I1 equal to I2. Something mistake I did. This is I2, this is the I1. So 2I1 equal to I1 by I2 will be 1 by 2. Something else is coming. 2I1 equal to I2 means I1 by I2 equal to 1 by 2. Check. I think 1 by 2. I did correct or not? I think there is a mistake. I don't know in your worksheet what is given, but it should be 1 by 2. So answer will be 1 by 2. Are you getting? I1 by I2 is equal to 1 by 2. This will be answer according to me, if I didn't do any calculation mistake. Next, no need of solving. Sine power 5x is odd function. Sine power 5x is odd function. So minus a to a, odd function, integration 0, finish. This is also odd function because this is the even function, this is the odd function. Product of odd and even is always odd. So this is the odd function. This total is odd function. Minus a to a, value 0. This is also odd function. Check it here. Suppose this is the fx, this one. Fx equal to ln 2 minus sin x by 2 plus sin x. So f of minus x will be ln 2 sin minus x means 2 plus sin x divided by 2 minus sin x. All of you know ln a by b, I can write minus of ln b by a. So 2 minus sin x by 2 plus sin x means minus fx. So it's an odd function. Odd function minus a to a, value will be 0. Is this clear? Next. One option is that you multiply them and then do the, simply you can expand it and x power n formula we can apply, but let's do one hit and trial. Apply king formula. 0 to 2, 2 minus x. X will be replaced by 2 minus x. Here x will be replaced by 2 minus x. 2 minus x minus 1. Here also 2 minus x. 2 minus x minus 2 dx. So I equal to 2 minus x. This will become what? 1 minus x. 2 minus x into 1 minus x I can write simply, hello, minus common here, cancel both. So I will get x minus 2, x minus 1. Did you understand? And here minus x, that minus I will take it out. Dx. Oh, what we got? I equal to minus I. That means I equal to 0. Finish. Is this clear to everybody? Next. Question number 13. By looking itself, you understood that you have to use the reduction formula. No other choice. So why not first we should derive the reduction formula. So In is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx. Correct? So we can, reduction formula we will try to break in two parts because this is the trigonometric function. This kind of the question we discuss in the integration. If you remember, tan, I can write tan power n minus 2x into tan square x. Tan square x I can write secant square x minus 1 dx. Same question we discuss in the class, that's why I am not giving more stress. So In equal to will get 0 to pi by 2 tan power n minus 2x into secant square x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 tan power n minus 2x dx. So In equal to, here tan x equal to t I can substitute. What I can substitute? Tan x equal to t. So secant square dx will become dt t power n minus 2. So this will become 0 to infinity. Sorry, not infinity. This is a pi by 4. I'm sorry. The pi by 4. That's what I was worried. This question is wrong. This is a pi by 4. I'm sorry. Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Correct? So this will become 0 to 1. Tan x equal to t I am putting. So 1. T power n minus 2 dt minus In minus 2. So In plus In minus 2 is equal to, this integration will be what? T power n minus 1 by n minus 1. T power n by, so 1 by n minus 1. T power n minus 1 to the 0 to 1. If you put 1, so this will be 1 minus 0, 1. Means this value will be 1 by n minus 1. Means In plus In minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 1. Question is over. So 1 by In plus In minus 2 will be what? N minus 1. Yes or no? So I2 plus I4. So n equal to 4 I will put. So I4 plus I2, n equal to 4 I am putting. That is 3. N equal to 5 I will put. No, 5. I want I3 plus 5. Yeah, n equal to 5. 5 if I will put. So I will get I5 plus I3 is equal to 4. I equal to some mistake I'm doing. This is the 1 by. I'm sorry. Actually, question is over. I hope you understood. 1 by I2 plus I4 will be equal to 3. 1 by I3 plus why I'm writing here itself, we can write it. No? This value n equal to 4 you can put. So 3. This value is 3. This value is 3. This value is 3. And for this value n equal to 5 I will put. So that will become 4. N equal to 6 I will put. So 5. N equal to 7 I will put. So this will become 6. This is nothing but 3, 4, 5, 6. AP na. Is this clear? Anyhow, no need of doing all this drama. Directly you can say this is the linear expression of n. So surely it will be AP. Surely this general term of this will be AP. Correct? I think this many questions only. Yeah. So this is all about this worksheet. Simple worksheet, but practice needed. So see you in the next worksheet discussion. Thank you.